In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare Public, SoFi, and E-Trade for options trading and choose the platform that best fits your investing style. To get started, open your Chrome browser and create 3 parallel tabs, one for each platform's official website. Keeping all 3 sites open at the same time makes the comparison process much easier because you can switch back and forth without losing your place. It also helps you notice differences more clearly when the information is right in front of you. Once the tabs are open, go to each platform's pricing page. This is where you'll want to check the options contract fees carefully. When comparing brokers, even small differences in contract costs can matter over time, especially if you plan to trade frequently. Take a moment to look specifically for options related pricing rather than just general investing fees, since some platforms may advertise commission free trading while still charging contract based fees for options. As you review each page, focus on the numbers and make sure you're comparing the same type of fee across all 3 websites. After that, move on to the features that make each platform stand out. Public is often known for offering access to alternative assets, which can appeal to investors who want exposure beyond traditional stocks and ETFs. If that kind of broader asset access matters to you, this is something worth paying close attention to. SoFi, on the other hand, highlights member rewards and added benefits tied to its overall financial ecosystem. That can be useful if you like the idea of having investing connected with other financial tools or perks in one place. Then there's E-Trade, which is widely recognized for its advanced charting tools. If you rely on technical analysis, detailed visual data, or more robust trading interfaces, that feature set may be especially important. As you compare these differences, try to think less about which platform seems the most popular overall and more about which one matches the way you actually want to invest. The best choice depends on your priorities. If you care most about access to alternative assets, Public may stand out. If member benefits and integrated financial rewards are more appealing, SoFi could be a better fit. And if strong charting tools are essential for your decision making, E-Trade may align more closely with your needs. By the end of this comparison, choose the platform that best matches your preferred asset class choices. That final decision should reflect both the fee structure and the features that matter most to your investing goals.